just at a campus development here, so it's 5 different buildings in the centre of Manchester. We're just off Canal Street, so the first one to your left is Minto and Turner, second one is Minshall Warehouse. They are both converted mills, lovely kind of finish to them, nice brick, surround sound inside, overlooking the canal. And as you come down, you've got the courtyard, which is the centre focal point for campus. And then you've got South Tower straight ahead, and the Stack to the right.
Beautiful building, isn't it? So it's nice. It's a nice mixture of new and old. Just look at the old fire escape up there. Incredible. I think it's all original, isn't it? All original features.
You can look at the history of Minto and Turner Warehouse online. So you can see all the CGIs as well. It's beautiful building. Hopefully we'll get into one of these. But we're going to have a quick walk around some of these apartments inside to have a look. You've got all kind of nice eateries around the outside. So you've got Nell's Pizza, above you've got Yum Cha. You've got a nice bakery around the corner as well called Pollen, and a few other restaurants.
Those are Pollen here.
All of them.
Pollen's quite famous in Manchester for its bakery. Yeah, you've got a nice little park in the middle of here. Manchester doesn't have a lot of green spaces, so it is nice to have this. And then of course we're right next to Canal Street as well.